How to change language on Vinted. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how you can change language on Vinted. So how do you do it? The first step is to log in into your Vinted account, and then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Once you're on this page, the next step or the next thing to do is to move over to the top right side of the screen, where you can see some icons such as the inbox, notification, to the favorite, and then you can see your profile icon. Once you see your profile icon, ensure you click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, you can see profile, you can see settings, you can see personalization. Just go ahead and click on profile, or instead you can just go ahead and click on settings. Yeah, just click on your account, then click on settings. Okay, so once you click on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. You'll be brought to your profile details page. Once you're on your profile details page, scroll down until you can see language. So this is it. This is language. Once you can see this, to change it, just click on the arrow, and then you can see the two languages that are available on Vinted. The other one is Spanish, all right? So if you can either use English or Spanish. So once you select to change the language, just select Spanish, and then just like that, the language would be changed. And then you click on update profile, and then the changes would be saved. So this is how it works. This is how you can change language on Vinted. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.